What's going on, guys? This is Alex from Hypnotech, and today we're unboxing the BLU X Link. It's a blue smartwatch that kind of just popped up on Amazon randomly and got here really quickly. Just going over some specs really quickly. Not that we normally care much about specs on a smartwatch. This is a MediaTek chip. It's not running Android's Wear OS. It's we'll see what the interface is like. But it has 4 megabytes of RAM, and it has a 1.1 inch 240 by 240 pixel display. So spec-wise, nobody really cares much about a smartwatch. It's the experience that counts. And this is the box, very clean looking box. One thing BLU does really well is packaging. Their packaging has been pretty good for a while. This also has, you can put your SIM card in here for, I believe, 2G or 3G. I believe 2G, but we'll check that out once we open it up. And this also has a 46 millimeter watch face. So the face is actually rather large. Let's open this up right now. Slicing this open. We haven't taken a look at a BLU device this year. So this is actually our first BLU device in quite a while. Let's open the box up. Nice touch here, Bolt Like Us, hashtag Bolt Like Us, and here is the watch. That's a rather large watch face. Reminds me a lot of the Urbane, the LG Urbane when that was a thing a long time ago. Let's pull the watch out. Has a white fake leather band, so this like faux leather. It's kind of soft, a little rubbery though, but we'll take a look at it really quick after we pull out the rest of this stuff. So underneath it, we do have, there is no charging cradle. It just looks like we have a micro USB to USB-A. Also no brick, so you need to have your own brick. It is a micro USB cable, which is pretty good. I mean, that means you don't have to bring an extra brick. You just bring a cable, and you can plug it into your adapter. So when you travel, you only need one thing. So that always helps. I don't know about the battery life. They didn't really talk about the battery life here. So we're gonna have to test that out. Here's a quick start guide. I'll take a look at this off camera since this is a operating system I don't know. Stickers. Put that aside and we'll jump into the watch. Going over a quick hardware tour, we have one button here. This is in the shape of a crown. There's a B logo on here for BLU. Very flimsy, cheap feeling here. This is definitely the cheapest part of the entire watch. It feels plasticky. It doesn't feel like it belongs. And it rotates. I don't think it has any navigation functionality to it. It is a button, so when you press on it, you hear that really annoying beep. I think you can turn it off. But this is the power button, back button, home button. It's everything in one. It's the only button here. And then on the other side of the watch, we have two sections that flap out. One of them is for the micro USB. The other one is for the SIM card. So this does, I believe, have 2G connectivity. So you can use this on a jog without your phone. Pop your SIM card in here. You should be able to get texts and messages through this watch. The watch itself is not too heavy, actually. This is not too heavy. Like, once again, from a distance, it looks like the watch Urbane, the LG watch Urbane. But I don't know if this is aluminum or metal or plastic. This does feel really cheap. So I'm not sure if it really is metal. And well, I guess since this popped up, it is a touchscreen as well. So when you do put your SIM card in, you can dial and stuff like that. And we'll take a look at the interface really quick after. But in the back of the watch, we do have a heart rate sensor. So we have a heart rate sensor. Really cool that a $50 watch has a heart rate sensor. I tried it out and I'll show you guys again really quickly, but it does seem to work decently. So going over this really quick, let's go to the settings. And one thing I don't like is there isn't like a defined section for, or design separation between the text. So it's like very easy to accidentally click something. Let's go back to the settings there. You know what I mean? There's no like area where it's, I wish they could make like little bubbles and little sections that you can click. Like if I want to click on clock, you can accidentally click sound or something like that because it's so close to each other and there's no real division between it.
Please enter your password, then press pound. Please enter your password, then press pound.
You can control your music very generically. So, you know what? I have bought a lot of Chinese smartwatches in the past, those cheap ones, $20 watches, kind of like this. The interface is very similar to what you would find in those. But $50 for this, I'm actually not too disappointed with it. I bought this on a whim, not expecting much. Here's the Fitbit Versa, by the way, size comparison, 46 millimeters, and that's the Fitbit Versa. I'm gonna put this on, see if it's heavy. But yeah, I bought this not expecting too much out of it. You know, $50, I thought I'd just make a video because I don't think a lot of people are gonna purchase this. So making a video for you guys to see how it looks like could really help.
If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button below so that you don't miss a single video in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!